longer treat halal tourism as just an option. It should be seamlessly folded into the whole promotion concept. Dapat walang demarcation yan. So, in fact, iniisip namin for the ASEAN Summit, walang ito, huwag sabihin halal lang to, lahat pwedeng halal. So, dapat ganon din. This is very well organized and very happy. And it's time that we suddenly wrap up, the Muslim traditions because it is one of the most beautiful and most underserved. So we want to make sure that we give them the proper recognition and support.
Secretary, what is your feeling for being a secretary na first time yung umattend dito na ganito na every year for 3 years, ilalong pa big event?
Tuwa ako because I'm very proud. Maski wala akong ginawa. Meron ng mga awards, di ba? Ibig sabihin na the people before us have worked tirelessly to go to this point. And I think it just gives you more encouragement and inspiration to make better improvements or contribute more. And I think we can do very well. Kasi, in fact, iniisip ko pa nga dapat yung tourism namin, bisitahin ang BARM, ang Tawi-Tawi, ang Sulu, kasi napakagandang lugar yun.
Ma'am, yung present
Thank you po.
yung latest rating and one of the most improved